Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm very excited to share with you that you can now queue content and repost old published content based on category queues. What does that mean? Well, the truth is any social media post does only reach a small percentage of your audience. You put so much effort in crafting a post which you hope changes your audience perspective of something, pitches your product, educates them on something, or maybe even inspires them, right? So you want to make sure that you repurpose this content, and now you can just automate that scheduled posts for many, many months in advance. Let me show you how you can do this. So first, let's get into the social planner. Click on marketing on the left, social planner at the top, and let's create a new post. Click create new post, and let's talk about the categories real quick. So select an account where you would like to post, then add your content, turn on or off your watermark, and down here you can choose the category. So that's what I'm talking about. Here you can either create one if you haven't created the categories yet, or you click the drop down menu and you will see all your categories, right? So let's say we would like to publish a post under the category digital marketing. Now all the content that you've ever published under these categories, so in this case under the category digital marketing, can be added to a queue, which means the queue will pull all the content that has been posted in the past and repurpose it and reschedules it for the future. So the system cycles through all the published posts in the past of that particular category and reposts them again. After that, it resets and restarts and starts to repost again at the top, at the beginning of that category. Now let's go back, click on new post, and down here you see category queue, right? Click that. In order to turn on this repurpose posting, you got to select your category. And here we can see under text setup, we have 8 posts. So select that, for example. Then you can decide, hey, do I want to enable future posts queuing, meaning automatically queue any new post created in this category? I would say yes to that, because that just minimizes any manual work and just keeps the repurpose evergreen posts going. Next up, you can decide if you want to prioritize new content. So if selected, new content will be posted first, which probably is a good idea. So I'd also like to checkmark this. And again, please note that you have at least one post published on the selected category, because if there's no posts, then obviously the system can't pull from nothing. Also, of course, one post is probably not enough. You don't want to post the same post over and over again. You want to make sure that you have maybe at least 90 posts going, so that every 3 months your queue resets and then you can reschedule those posts. That is just a suggestion of mine, but of course you can post as many posts as you want into the category queue and then set your numbers as you wish. Let's hit continue. And then here you can select a date and time when you would like the post to appear on your social accounts. Here you can see Sunday is pre-selected, but you can of course select any day by just clicking on the day and it just adds to the queue. You can change the times for the days, or you can keep the same. If you don't want to post on a Wednesday, you just deselect it and then it's not marked in blue anymore and it has been removed down here, or you just click the bin icon right here. Let's remove Tuesday as well. So let's say we want to post every day at 10 a.m. for example, okay? And down here you can see this is the time zone where I'm based, and the time zone will be pulled from your main settings inside of your account. So click on settings bottom left, business profile, and there you can set your time zone. Now let's say you would like to copy the same settings to every day, so we don't have to go and do this manually. You just click copy here and then copy to all if you want to publish every day, or if you want to keep out any of the days, you just check mark those that you would like to post and then hit apply, and it then takes the settings from the first date, and that's it. Then hit queue posts. And then here we go. Here you can edit or review the media that you've just scheduled, or scheduled in the past, basically published in the past, but rescheduling it for the future. Now, if you wanted to change the caption, you can do that right here. Add new caption. And here's just the same settings as per usual. Apply watermark or not. Choose the category. That's already selected. You can't change that. And the text as well from the previous post, right? And here you could change the image, add another image, add a video, add some tags, make it bold, add a new caption, right? Whatever your heart desires. Down here, you can also change the title. In this case, we posted on Pinterest. Then here you can change the link where you would like to forward people once they click on your image. And here you can also change the board inside of Pinterest if you're active on Pinterest. And whenever you're ready, you can also click preview right here, and it will show you how it would look like on the Pinterest platform, for example. And like this, you can go through all of your different posts. You can see here, we scheduled some on Pinterest, some on LinkedIn, some on TikTok even, right? You just click on the next card, so to speak, here on the left, and then you see the preview right here. You can see that video, amazing. We just repurpose that, repost that, totally cool. If we wanted to edit, we click back on the edit button and then change whatever caption we want to change. Same scenario here. Maybe you want to add a watermark or remove it. You can see here we've used tags in the past, so those tags will also be added to the post. Okay. Up here you can see posts with errors. Please make sure to fix those errors first before you queue the post. So click on post with errors, and down here you can see what is the error. Hey, please select at least one social to queue this post. Okay, so here you just have to select a social media account where you would like to post this content to. Let's select this one for an example, add some content, and then hit save top right corner. And here you see queue posts updated successfully, amazing. It has also disappeared under the post with errors. Now, if that just shows up by accident and you didn't actually want to post this, you just click the bin icon here and make sure to just delete that post, okay? Let's delete that as well. Awesome, now there's a total of 6 posts in the queue, okay? So whenever you're ready, you just click queue post the bottom right, and that's it. Under content, category queue, you can see the category name, text setup, the number of posts that are going out, posts per week, the status, it is active. Right here, you can turn on or off this toggle, meaning, hey, this is active. If we turn it off, hey, do you want to pause this post in the whole category queue, basically? Hit pause, and then you can see here the status has been paused. Amazing. If you wanted to delete everything, you just click the 3 dots right here and click delete, okay? Again, please note that only the posts that are attached to a specific category can be added to the category queue. And why would you want to pause this? Well, maybe you're running a specific promotion or a launch and you have specific content going out for that particular launch exactly. So you don't want to kind of like overwhelm your people with different topics and different call to actions. So you can just turn that off here. Whenever that launch is finished, you can turn this back on and then click resume. And then boom, your category queue is active again. Please note the category queue cannot be edited or changed to a different time, okay? So once you've set it, it will be exactly how you've set it. That may change in the future, but as of now, you can't change the dates. Now let's pretend we would like to delete it in real life. Click the 3 dots, hit delete again. And that's it, the category queue disappeared. Again, if you wanted to create a new one, you just click plus new category queue and do the same thing what I've just showed you at the beginning of the video. And that's it already. This is how you can set your content scheduler on Evergreen and repurpose already published content. I hope you liked this feature and I will see you in the next video.